Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I made Ghanaian Waakye. If you want to see how I made it, keep on watching this video. And if you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe and all of that good stuff. Making authentic Ghanaian Waakye is the simplest thing to do, and these are our ingredients. The star of the show are these wonderfully rich purple coloured leaves. This is red sorghum leaves or Waakye leaves. So this is something you can't make this dish without. So we have our black beans here, we have coconut oil, baking powder or baking soda, we have our rice, and we have salt. So let's get cooking. So we're going to start off by giving the beans a very, very good wash, making sure that we get rid of the dirt and any sand or stones that may have incorporated. It's important that you wash the beans before soaking them, because if you wash them after soaking them, some of the skin will come off. So we'll give it a good wash. Now that I've washed the beans, I'm going to leave them to soak in some clean cold water, and I'll leave that for about an hour, and that will make the beans much softer and easier to cook. So the beans have been soaked for about an hour. I've put them into a pot. I'm going to boil them until they're soft to touch. So let's now check on the beans. Let's see how they're doing. I've been cooking these for about 45 minutes. And I want them to be soft to touch, and they are. They're ready to go. So I'm going to drain these and set them aside, and then deal with the Waakye leaves. So to get that deep purple colour from my Waakye leaves, I'm just going to put them in a pan of hot water and bring them to a boil. And to activate the colour, I'm going to add a generous amount of baking powder to the mix. And that just helps to activate the colour. So I'm going to give that a good stir, bring it to a boil, and as you can see, the beautiful colour is coming out. This is what gives Waakye its amazing colour. So I'm just going to cover it and leave it for 5 minutes to stew. So let's just check on the Waakye leaves to make sure we've got the right colour. Guys, look at that deep purple colour. So this is ready. So you can always reuse your Waakye leaves. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to take them out of the mixture, and then I'm going to put them in the freezer, and I'm going to use them again. So if you are going to reuse your Waakye leaves, all you need to do is defrost them and boil them in hot water with baking soda, but this time boiling them for a little bit longer. So that's it, simple. So it's time to start on the rice. So I have 2 cups of basmati rice here, which I've washed. I've added some coconut oil, and I'm now going to add my cooked beans to that. So I'm cooking my Waakye in a rice cooker. I find that easier, but you can use a conventional stove if you want. I'm going to give that a good mix together, and I'm going to add my Waakye leaf juice. So this is about 2 cups, and I'm going to mix that together. Look at the colours there. Wow, amazing. And I'm going to add some salt. Didn't add any salt to the beans because I didn't want the beans to absorb the salt and the beans be salty and not the rice. So I wait until I combine the rice and the beans together. So I put enough liquid so that the water just comes to the same level as the rice and beans mixture, and then I'm going to leave that in my rice cooker. I'm going to cover it, put the lid on, and let it cook. So time is up. Let's check our waakye. Look at this. Beautiful purple rice. Wow. Look at the colours. Amazing. This is gonna go so lovely with stew.